If you want to make $1 million online, you have to learn copywriting. And here's why. The first reason is results. Despite what people tell you, you actually have to make other people money to make money online. And the gurus have kind of lied to us from the very start. They told us we need a business model. We need to be a growth operating guy, or clipping, or drop shipping, or SMA, or personal brand, freelance brand scaling. But here's the thing. You don't need any of those. You need to become skilled. And what's crazy is all of those things work, by the way. You can make $1 million with all of those opportunities if you were skilled enough. And that's why you have to focus on you. Stop looking for a new business model. Instead, start investing in your skills, and that will make any business model work. Think about Hormozy. You could plug him in anywhere. He'd make $1 million. And this is exactly what happened to me. You can see this on my channel, full proof, full transparency. In 2022, I was obsessed with every new business model. I was dirt broke because of it. So I tried SMA, I tried doing short form editing, I tried all this random crap. I wasn't making any money. But in 2023, I discovered skills. Thanks to Hormozy, Danco, all these guys preaching some real value out here. And then the skill in question was copywriting. That's what I found to be the most valuable from all these books that I read. This is what I needed. I needed copywriting. I even made a video about me discovering this back in the day. And then in 2024, fast forward 1 year, I hit 100K in my bank account. So like savings, crazy. And then in 2025, which is current KJ, I've currently done over 900K in revenue just for my own offer, not keeping in mind all the other people that I wrote for. All of this because I decided to master copywriting. And can I be real? This is the very skill that those gurus use to sell you their courses. They are master copywriters. That's how they make so much dang money. And even without course selling, whatever, this is how I signed a $5,000 client to my agency where I actually write copy for people last week. So there's the 2.5K up front, 2.5K when I finish the VSL for them. And it's not because I'm some clipper or growth operator or insert some name. It's because I can get the results he wants because of skills. So he wanted me to book him more calls through YouTube. And how do I do that? Well, copywriting. By making good YouTube scripts and hooks, CTAs, a VSL page, writing the VSL, doing Instagram stories, etc. It's all because the results. And it's not just me, right? You just need skills first. Then you can build whatever you want. These are all my insane student interviews. You can watch those if you need some motivation. But I show that to show you that it's not just me. You too can make money online, but you got to learn skills first. You have to. Reason number 2, though, why copywriting is the skill is leverage. So once you get skilled, you can actually make people money. But how do you do that while doing a lot less work? That's where leverage comes in. You see, there's a lot of other good skills here. We're talking sales, maybe even trading. The problem with sales, though, is once you hit your 8-hour day call limit, you're stuck. You can't make any more money. You can't leverage yourself up if you're just doing one-to-one sales. And trading is a great skill, but here's the problem. If you were broke like I was 2 years ago, you don't have any money to trade, right? If you turn $100 and you make 100% return to 200, congrats, you made $100 for an insane return. So yeah, trading is a great thing to do once you already have money. But if you don't have money yet, then it's kind of sucks. Versus copywriting. So here's a ton of great videos of me making money with this skill. So writing for other clients, writing for myself, and just making a bunch of money with leverage. And so the cool part about this is even this email sequence. Once I write an email sequence, it's done. It sends to every new person automatically without me doing any more work, and I make sales while I sleep. It's actually crazy. And the whole point of leverage is what? A small input and a big output. So once I set up my low ticket school, right? All I have to do now is take 2 calls a month. So sales guys take 8 calls a day. I only take 2 a month, and I make $34,000 in the past month and a half with this school without doing anything really. So that's leverage. That's crazy. All because I know the skill of copywriting. Now, reason 3, this one might really mess you up here. AI proof. You probably think copywriting is being replaced by AI, but let me show you this. You see, copywriting allows you to actually make money because you're making other people money while doing less work because you have leverage at scale using technology, and it's actually AI proof. You see, here's what's going on right now. The quantity of copy before AI was very, very small. It took some effort. You actually had to think. You had to actually sit down and write the stuff. But now the quantity of copy in the market after AI is astronomical. Why? Because you can pull up ChatGPT and say, write me an email. And next thing you know, you have an email. for better or for worse. But the real question is, how has the quality of copy changed since AI? Because that's what the market really cares about. And can I be honest with you? It is slop. It is absolutely dookie. I know, because I have 200 students in my low ticket, and I have like 50 current students in my high ticket. Like, dude, people write some awful copy with AI. And what's crazy is, like, the more robotic content gets, the more we crave a real human connection. So it's easy for people to make this AI slop, garbage, copy, and content. And you've probably seen this on your own feeds, man. You're getting tired of seeing the same type of robotic slop. And when you see something that you do like, and you figure out that it's AI, you now feel like you got tricked, you got betrayed. And so people are looking for real human connection. I believe fully that is what's going to win in the market going forward. And can I give you a really crazy example right here? I don't want to offend you, but you have access to ChatGPT for free. And so if you are still broke, then you are proving my point that ChatGPT does not equal free money. You have to actually have skills to know what to tell the robot. And what's wild is that skilled copywriters are becoming high demand. We've had like, I don't know, 10, 15 opportunities on our job board in Copy Elite in the past 2 weeks alone. It has been insane. And the guys are literally saying, thank you, KJ, for not teaching these guys AI garbage first. By teaching them the real skill, then giving them AI, they're actually insanely valuable to their clients. So really, really cool. And let me give you guys a simple example, okay? So let's say your goal is to farm a bunch of corn and to make money. If someone knows how to farm, but he has old tools, he can still get a little results. If someone doesn't know how to farm, but he has the latest and greatest technology, he still ruins the farm because he has no clue how to farm. But if someone has the farming knowledge and he has the best tools, well, he can get an insane result for less work and an epic return on investment in an incredible time. And he's going to say farming is the best thing ever. Here's how this applies to copywriting. If you know copywriting, if you know how to persuade, and you don't have AI, you can make some great money. But if you don't know how to persuade, yet you have AI, you get no money because you don't know the skill, and you're gonna say, oh, copywriting is dead. And if you don't make any money right now, then this is proof because you have ChatGPT. So where's the dollar signs? But the third guy, and this is what I hopefully you will be after this video, is if you know how to persuade and you use the best tools, meaning AI scripts and prompts to help you speed up your workflow, then you can make a ton of money with less work and have an incredible time. And so learning how to actually persuade with words is the key. Then you can turbocharge your skill using AI. And so I made a video on how I do this literally for my clients. If you want to check it out, it's how I use AI to write sales emails. But ultimately, the entire point of this video is you need to learn copywriting ASAP. That is what I believe is the best thing you could possibly do with your time. Frick the business models, screw all that stuff that's going to be gone in 6 months. Learn a valuable skill that will be around forever and will pay you dividends for the rest of your life. Now, I've got 3 options for this. I hate how YouTubers do all this crap. Look, if you don't have any money, that's awesome. I have a brand new free course that launched 3 months ago. It is incredible. There's no gatekeeping. It's literally from my paid program, so go check it out. Also, if you don't believe me, perfectly fine. Here are my favorite books that I use to kind of create all my material. So go through and read those. Amazing place to start. If you have a little bit of money, we have a low ticket. If you want our courses, our outreach systems, our community, our AI scripts, our roadmap, our group coaching, link in the description. If you want our high ticket, if you're like, frick that, just you coach me one-on-one, KJ, help me make money. We have that too if you got bread. So yeah, all is in the description. But anyways, hope you guys learn copywriting and just absolutely change your lives. I'll see y'all in the next video.